My name is Mark Norman, and I'll be your instructor for employee engagement. I wanted to take this short video to talk to you a wee bit about the content that we'll be covering and the learning approach that we'll be using. First of all, let's talk about our objectives. In this course, we'll be talking about current trends in employee engagement, something very important to consider given our current context. We'll also be talking about the role of local leaders and how crucial they are at creating and maintaining cultures of engagement. We'll talk about their mindsets and how those mindsets actually influence their ability to strengthen other people's contributions or undermine those contributions. We'll talk about how to manage your impact and the choices you can make on a daily basis that end up by having a huge impact on the engagement of people around you. That's what we'll be covering while we're together. Let me talk to you about our learning approach. Part of what you'll be doing is preparing before you get into the virtual sessions and then the virtual sessions themselves. In the preparation, before you come into the virtual sessions, I'll be asking you to watch some videos, to do a bit of reading, to accomplish some assignments. And if you do those before you come into the virtual sessions, what that will allow us to do is to use the virtual sessions to clarify the concepts, to talk about how to bring them into your context, and to talk about application. So 2 parts. Preparation before you get in. Please take the time to watch the videos, do the thinking, accomplish the assignments. And when we come in to have the virtual meetings and discuss, come ready to share, to talk, to ask questions. Also very, very valuable to share your experiences. So I'm really looking forward to working with you, and I'll be seeing you soon.